and they are installed. So you can see the Govee permanent outdoor light prisms are obviously the one that has the 3 LEDs. You can see right there up close, and the 3 LEDs point at different directions to give it a very unique spread of light and creates quite a bit more animation than the older Govee Outdoor Lights Pro that we actually have installed right below it. So you can see, for comparison, the Govee Outdoor Light Prism looks a lot more modern and it has more features, and the animation is even more dynamic and smooth. The way that these are installed is actually quite interesting. If you install the lights just by themselves, it requires you to put some kind of wood track so that you can install them with equal placements between them, because we have these rafters on our roof. But if you want to be able to get the most clean installation, you can see we use the PermTracks for the Govee Outdoor Light Prisms, and the PermTracks is just a more complete installation because it covers the wires completely and it creates a very nice finished look. So these are the Govee permanent outdoor lights prism, and we have the tracks installed, and those are the PermTracks, which are again really nice to look at, but also really nice and easy to work with. Just because they were accommodating to hide the wires, we didn't have to stress about stretching the wires and doing different loops to make the wires look better. So it's kind of like tucking the wires away in a closet. You just pretty much hide the wires underneath those tracks and they can be bundled up and it doesn't matter because the tracks cover it up. But anyway, these are the Govee permanent outdoor lights prism, and they are quite a bit brighter than the Pros, and they have more animation, they're smoother, and they look very modern.